AirPods. I own them. If you're watching this video, you most likely own a pair too. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys some Hypebeast Airpod cases. Make sure you watch this entire video because I'm going to show you some fire must-have Apple Airpod cases, and I'm going to be giving some of these AirPod cases away in this video. So this is what the normal AirPods case looks like from Apple. You do have the AirPods, of course, inside. So I decided to pick up some Hypebeast Airpod cases and show you guys. This video is not sponsored by any company. These I just purchased myself from Amazon. I'm going to leave the links down below in the description to all of these cases and maybe some other Hypebeast cases I think you guys might like. Start off, we have this normal black AirPods case. I'm going to show you guys what every case looks like with the AirPods in them. So right here we do have the normal black, not really a Hypebeast one. You could customize this case if you wanted to, and this is what the AirPods look like inside of this case. They do fully work. You could open and close them like normal. Really good case, and they do come with, of course, the keychain attachment so you can attach these to your keys. This AirPods case does have like a silicone feel, and I really do like this simple black case. This next case is a Nike case. I really do like this case because it is red, my favorite color, with that white Nike swoosh that really does pop. So I'm going to put my AirPods in this case, and this is what the AirPods look like inside of this Nike case. They do fully open and close like normal, and it's a really dope Nike case, and they do have a protection for the bottom of the charging port as well. This next case is honestly a little weird, not a case I personally will be using, so I'm going to go ahead and give this case away. This is a really Hypebeast case and a really out there case, and this is the Bape case. This case did not come with the keychain, unfortunately, but I'm sure if you have an extra one, you can really simply put it on there very, very easy. So this is what the AirPods would look like inside of this Vape Ape case. They do fully work as normal, open, close, really nice, and it is a Hypebeast case. The bottom is exposed. There is no cover for the bottom for the charging port. However, it is still a really nice Bape case. This next case is actually one of my favorites, one I might be keeping, and that is the Off-White case. It does come with the keychain attachment, and the bottom is exposed. So now this is what the AirPods look like with the Off-White case on them. Very, very nice, and honestly one of my favorites. I really do like this case a lot. Black with white, very simple, and honestly just a really dope Hypebeast case. So this is what they look like with the case on them, and you just open and close. Really, really sick. And of course, I did save my favorite one, in my opinion, the best for last, and that is the Jordan 1 AirPods case. So this case is actually really, really sick. It does have a really tight fit onto the AirPods. It's probably the hardest one to get out of the case out of all of these, but that's a good thing because it will keep them secure and nicely tight. So this is what it looks like with the AirPods in them, and they do have the bottom exposed. Once again, not a big deal, and they do have the keychain attachment, and they're really, really dope. And it does have the Jordan Wings logo on it, and this is, of course, the Shadow Jordan 1. They do make other colorways of them as well, the Breads, the Royals, name it, there's like pretty much colorway for it. So really, really dope, and they do fully open and close as well. So I will be keeping this case because this is definitely my favorite case of the ones that I did buy. As far as the giveaway goes, I'm going to give away some of these cases. I will be giving away definitely this Nike case. I'm also going to be giving away definitely this Bape case, and I'm going to be giving away, most likely I'll give it away because I know you guys are probably going to want this one, the Off-White case as well. To enter the giveaway for these cases, all you guys need to do is hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, and then comment down below in the comment section. Leave any comment you want, and at the end of your comment, make sure you leave your Instagram username. I'll be picking some winners for these AirPod cases in about a week or two. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Stay tuned to my Instagram stories because that's where I will be announcing the winners. I will be picking winners for these AirPod cases from this video specifically, so once again, make sure you leave a comment down below and leave your Instagram username at the end of your comment. Since we're talking about giveaways, make sure you guys enter the giveaway that ends on January 11th for the YEEZY Boost 350 V2 YECHEIL's brand new size 11. To enter this giveaway, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, turn on all notifications, follow me on Instagram, and then send me a DM on Instagram with screenshots with proof that you subscribed and that you follow me on Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button. You can check out all these AirPods cases in this video, linked down below in the description. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. We're always dropping that fire, straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.